1st February 2025, our Honorable Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has actually presented Union Budget. And as per most of the experts, this is a well-balanced budget. And everyone is really happy with this, including myself. But in today's video, before we start our learning, I just want to ask you one thing. Why are you happy from this particular budget? Well, I'm going to phrase my question properly. So let me just show you two different clips. First,
I am now happy to announce that there will be no income tax payable up to income of 12 lakh rupees. Average income of 1 lakh per month other than the special rate income such as capital gains under the new regime. This limit will be 12.75 lakh for salaried taxpayers due to the standard deduction of 75,000.
As per this clip, you don't need to pay any income tax if your salary is up to 12 lakhs. Are you happy with this? Or let's see the second clip.
Center of Excellence in AI for Education. I had announced 3 centers of excellence in artificial intelligence for agriculture, health, and sustainable cities in 2023. Now a center of excellence in artificial intelligence for education will be set up with a total outlay of 500 crores.
As per the second clip, government is actually announcing that they are going to invest in AI and a lot more money is going to be focusing on AI related education. Then you're focusing on your career growth. You're focusing on making more money using AI. But you're happy with the first clip, then it means that you're happy being where you are with the less than 12 lakh salary per year. Well, if you're happy with the first one, I don't think my videos are actually for you. But if you're happy with the second clip, where you actually want to focus on your growth, your career, and you want to grow with the help of AI, then our videos are actually for you. Thank you for watching us and thank you for joining us. Now with this particular note, let's start our today's learning. So far, every time when we have a new video, we always focus on latest Azure AI services. And today, I'm going to introduce one of the latest member of Azure AI service, which is Azure AI Foundry. Let me just show it to you what this service is. And very soon, I'm going to come back with different features and characteristics with demos of Azure AI Foundry service. So what are you waiting for, guys? Let's get started. Oh yes, and by the way, I forgot to tell you that if you are liking our videos or if you want to learn AI, you should subscribe to our channel. But I think you have already done it. If you're really serious about learning AI and making a growth in your career, I think you have already subscribed. Thank you so much for that, and let's move forward. As I said, Azure AI Foundry is one of the latest service of Azure AI services. Now, not only that, this is one of the service which is actually allowing you to integrate with couple of other Azure services. So, what is this? The Azure AI Foundry service is actually having one centralized umbrella where you can actually bring all the Azure AI services together. Now, basically, they are providing something which is known as Azure AI Foundry Portal, which is a web portal that brings together multiple AI-related services into a single unified development environment. Specifically, this Azure AI Foundry service is going to combine multiple things. First, it's going to help you to deal with model catalog, where not only Azure OpenAI and other Microsoft models are there, some non-Microsoft models are also available. Where not only Microsoft and OpenAI models are available, but so many other LLMs are also available in this. You can actually take care of model catalog, you can actually deploy the model, or you can develop AI capabilities with the help of prompt flow. The generative AI models are going to help you in development, testing, custom data integration capabilities of Azure OpenAI service with this. And as I said, integration is also there. So you can integrate Azure AI Vision service, speech service, language service, or document intelligence services and your content safety services all together in one Azure AI Foundry service. Basically, as I said, under this one umbrella, you can actually develop and you can use whichever Azure AI service you want to use. If you ask me, who are going to use this? Well, I will say if you are a developer or if you're a data scientist, then this service is for you. Now, in addition to providing a unified interface for multiple AI services, Azure AI Foundry also includes a support for creating some new terminologies and some new entities with this. Like we have something called Azure AI Hubs. That's actually going to provide a collaborative development workspace for data scientists, developers, and others who wants to build AI solutions. Under AI Hub, you can create multiple projects. So basically, AI Hub is a root level element. Inside one AI Hub, you're going to have multiple projects. These projects are going to take care of your assets, code, and the specific solutions which you want to manage. Not only that, you can actually take care of permissions, roles, and responsibilities also with your team members. You're going to have scalable on-demand compute available, and you can also have integration with data sources and other cloud services. So storage account, data lake, or other configurational services, you can actually integrate with Azure AI Foundry service. It's going to provide a web-based code development environment, so you don't need to worry about installing some development environment in your computer. As well as there are plenty of SDKs and command line interface libraries are available for automation. All in all, this is one package which Microsoft has gifted you if you are interested in AI. Now let me just give you a little bit introduction about AI Hub. An AI Hub is going to provide a collaborative workspace for AI solution development and management. And as you can see right now on this particular slide, Azure AI Hub can actually host one or more projects. As you can see in the screenshot, we have multiple projects under one AI Hub. And in the left side, you can actually see we can manage quota, multiple models and endpoints. We can also take care of connected resources. Now, I know you're curious about knowing this kind of things. Well, starting from tomorrow, I'm going to introduce you with a couple of Azure AI Foundry services. So we are going to see each and every feature which is provided by Azure AI Foundry service. Now, if your question is, Maruti, what exactly we are going to plan? How exactly we are going to learn it? What kind of demos are there? And what kind of topics we are going to learn in the coming week? Well, the answer is here. When we have to use AI Foundry, this question is actually going to be giving you what exactly we are going to learn. So as you can see here on the slide, Azure AI Foundry is providing everything developers and data scientists need to develop agents and cutting-edge, market-ready, responsible generative AI applications. If you have ever dreamed of developing your own generative AI application, or you're working in a project in your organization where you are using generative AI application, this is for you. It's a go-to platform when you need to do multiple things. You can create and manage multiple AI projects. You can develop generative AI applications. You can explore available AI models. And as I told you, you have multiple models. Lot and lot models are available. You are not limited to only GPT models. You can monitor and evaluate AI models. You can integrate with Azure services, and you can build responsibly because it is actually compliant with the responsible AI guidelines. Not only that, one of the most favorite topics of my clients, when I deliver my corporate trainings for my corporate clients, they are very interested in one thing which is known as RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. And that's also something which you can use inside Azure AI Foundry. All in all, this is going to be a very important and interesting service for all of us. And from tomorrow onwards, we are going to pick one by one capability of Azure AI Foundry service, and I'm going to introduce it to you. So stay tuned. It's not done, it's just started. And if you have not used Azure AI services so far, you're not late. This is a perfect time. So start learning today. Happy learning. I'll see you tomorrow.